Hello, everyone. Welcome to Health Protocol Today. I'm excited to share with you three incredible anti-inflammatory fruits that are going to help you reduce pain, fight inflammation, and promote overall wellness. Whether you're dealing with persistent joint discomfort, digestive issues, or simply want to proactively protect your long-term health, these fruits are going to be game changers. So, let's delve into these amazing fruits that can instantly help calm inflammation in your body. Inflammation can be a silent but powerful force, impacting our health in ways we might not even realize. The good news is, some of the very best ways to fight inflammation come straight from nature. They're nature's original desserts. And naturally sweet fruits are essential in protecting our bodies from disease. Eating at least 1.5 to 2 cups of diverse fruits every day can boost antioxidant activity. Fruits are particularly abundant in anti-inflammatory compounds, which are important in protecting our bodies from heart disease, diabetes, and certain forms of cancer and bowel disease. I have seen thousands of patients and the root cause of so many of their problems, whether it's thyroid issues, autoimmune conditions, various cancers, or heart disease, often boils down to inflammation. Today, I'm going to talk about 3 specific fruits that have the highest anti-inflammatory potential and have genuinely helped countless people reduce inflammation in their bodies. So, let's get started. The top 3 anti-inflammatory fruits. 1. Blueberries. The antioxidant powerhouse. The very first fruit on this list is blueberries. The reason blueberries are so popular these days and everyone is talking about them is because they are incredibly rich in a potent antioxidant compound called anthocyanins. These anthocyanins are responsible for the deep blue color of blueberries, and they are where much of their power comes from. We now have numerous research studies showing that consuming blueberries regularly can significantly help lower your inflammation. In fact, a couple of studies have specifically demonstrated that regular blueberry consumption can actually lower some of your key inflammation markers, like hs-CRP, high-sensitivity C-reactive protein, in your body. The antioxidants in blueberries help to neutralize harmful free radicals, which are a major cause of inflammation and cellular damage in the body. These anthocyanin antioxidants also help relax your blood vessels and improve blood flow throughout your cardiovascular system, thereby directly reducing inflammation in your heart and circulatory system. Blueberries shown that oxidative stress is a major cause of cognitive decline, brain fog, and even mood changes like anxiety and depression. Blueberries actively support your brain cells by reducing this oxidative stress and protecting them from the damage it causes, potentially even improving memory and overall cognitive function. They act as a protective shield for your most vital organ. Blueberries also have direct immune-boosting properties, thereby helping to protect your body from various viral and bacterial infections. They strengthen your body's natural defenses. So, for all these reasons, blueberries truly are one of the most powerful antioxidant fruits you can consume. Blueberries are one of the only fruits that recent studies have shown do not lose their nutritional value even when you eat them frozen. That means even if you're eating frozen blueberries, which are often more affordable and available year-round, you're still getting all the fantastic antioxidant benefits from their anthocyanins. This makes them a convenient and consistent choice for your anti-inflammatory diet. 2. Pineapples, the bromelain wonder. The second anti-inflammatory fruit on this list is pineapples. Pineapples contain a unique and powerful enzyme called bromelain. This bromelain possesses significant anti-inflammatory properties that have been extensively studied. Bromelain has been specifically researched for its ability to reduce inflammation and pain in people suffering from conditions like arthritis, sinusitis, and various other inflammatory conditions. Its mechanism of action is fascinating. Bromelain helps to break down specific types of proteins and effectively reduces the levels of pro-inflammatory compounds in your body. It also improves your immune function and helps reduce swelling throughout the body. It actively inhibits the production of chemokines and several cytokines, which are cellular messengers that drive inflammation. In addition to bromelain, pineapple is also very high in vitamin C. Vitamin C is not only a potent antioxidant compound itself, but it's also a powerful immune-boosting nutrient. It reduces oxidative stress and inflammation throughout the body. A research study published in the Alternative Therapies in Health and Medicine journal concluded that bromelain is very effective in treating osteoarthritis due to its strong anti-inflammatory effect. Bromelain is also particularly useful for individuals who frequently deal with allergies and sinusitis problems. A study in the Journal of International Medical Research reported that bromelain led to faster recovery in patients with acute sinusitis, helping to clear congestion and reduce inflammation in the nasal passages. Furthermore, bromelain is incredibly beneficial for digestive and gut health. It assists in breaking down complex proteins in your food and also reduces inflammation within the gut lining. This, in turn, helps with the absorption of amino acids and other vital nutrients from your digestive system. So, pineapple, being rich in both bromelain and vitamin C, is truly one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory fruits you can consume regularly. How to best consume pineapple? A lot of people consume canned pineapple, but that's not ideal. You need to consume fresh pineapple because that is where you'll find the highest amount of beneficial bromelain. If for some reason you prefer pineapple juice, make absolutely sure there is no sugar added to it. The best way to make a potent anti-inflammatory pineapple juice is to actually juice fresh pineapple along with turmeric and ginger. When you juice all three of these together, this creates an incredibly powerful anti-inflammatory drink for you. 3. Pomegranates, the full-body anti-inflammatory. The third fruit on this list is pomegranates. Pomegranates are exceptionally rich in beneficial polyphenols, particularly those called ellagic acid and, once again, anthocyanins. Research indicates that pomegranates possess anti-inflammatory properties that extend throughout the entire body. They can help lower systemic inflammation, improve your heart health, potentially reduce cancer risk, and decrease overall body swelling and inflammation. Ellagic acid, one of the key polyphenols present in pomegranates, works by down-regulating, reducing the expression of inflammatory genes, specifically the COX2 gene. This is the same gene that common NSAID medications like ibuprofen target. So, by working on the COX2 gene, pomegranates can significantly lower inflammation in the body naturally. In fact, a 2000 review study concluded that pomegranates can be really useful for rheumatoid arthritis patients, as they help reduce inflammation and pain levels in those individuals. The anthocyanin compounds found in pomegranates also help reduce inflammation by inhibiting another important gene called NF-kappa B. This gene is a critical factor that triggers inflammation all over your body, especially in your cardiovascular system. In fact, a study published in an atherosclerosis journal found that pomegranate juice can reduce carotid artery thickness and also lower your blood pressure, thereby significantly improving your heart health. Research also suggests that regularly taking pomegranate extracts can inhibit the proliferation, growth of cancer cells, highlighting a potential role in cancer prevention. So, that's why pomegranate is truly one of those superfoods that offers widespread anti-inflammatory benefits for your entire body. What is the best way of consuming pomegranate? Most people use pomegranates as pomegranate juice, but unfortunately, many over-the-counter pomegranate juices have added sugar. Make sure that when you are buying pomegranate juice, there is absolutely no sugar added to it. Also, it's important to be mindful of how much juice you consume daily. Do not consume more than 1 shot glass of pomegranate juice, because exceeding this amount can give you too much sugar, which research has shown negates the beneficial effects. The absolute best way to consume pomegranate is to eat the seeds directly from the fruit. This way, you also get the beneficial fiber from the seeds. Now, we've talked about the best way to consume these fruits individually, but should you eat all of these fruits every single day? The answer is a resounding no. If you consume all of these fruits in one day, you'll be taking in too much sugar, and that again will cancel out the beneficial effects of all these amazing fruits. So, the best recommendation is that you choose one fruit for one particular day and then consume it. For example, if you're choosing blueberries, just eat 1 cup of blueberries a day, no more than that. If you are consuming pineapple, 1 cup of cut fresh pineapple is what you should aim for. Or, if you're choosing the pineapple with turmeric and ginger juice, again, consume just 1 shot glass of that juice. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel, as well as share this video with your loved ones who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.